want to thank you for coming into our wood shop. So what we're doing is we're putting together a very simple but effective platform for my neighbor who needs their dog to get into the assistance getting into the car. So this is going to be a platform. It's a big German Shepherd that's going to be 12 inches high. So she provided this material, and it was up to me to take the material and to come up with this platform. So this is what I got so far using the material, and now I need to make repeated cuts on the sliding sled here. So this is I tell you what, this unit here could sit there for a year, and then I pull it out because it just makes sense. You can see it has cobwebs, but it can sit here for a long time until I need these repetitive type cuts. And so I can very safely and easily go ahead and make repetitive cuts. So what I did is I attached a temporary block, a stop block, and we made sure that it was square. Okay, so nothing fancy, just get the job done. That's what it's all about. So what we're going to do is make these repetitive cuts. Now I need 2, 4, 6, 8 minimal, and we'll make some blocks for the middle too. So that's 8, 9, so 10 cuts. And this is what the customer gave me, these 2x4s. So let's go. Alright, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 to spare. So yeah, this guy here is the same size as this. So we'll quickly go ahead and remove that. Alright, how many of you guys got Milwaukee's lying around? So So as the story goes, I got out these guys to do the job, and I'll tell you what, this wood here is very, very, very strong. And going in 2x4s, I basically went through the battery. So I got it charging, and then I'll charge that one. This guy here, if you've not ever purchased a Milwaukee, I got this in the 90s. This is a house. This is strong. It's so strong they have a handle for those processes when you know that the drill can get away from you. Hey, thanks for stopping in to SC Custom Designs. And this is going to be part 2. Part 3 will be delivering the unit to the customer, which should be today. All right, thanks for stopping in. God bless.